What's up guys, hope you are doing okay, and welcome to another daily Bitcoin analysis video. BTC price just went up to the 46k, not surprising at all since I was calling that in my last two analysis. When I said if the price will go down that would be bad even if we bounced up again, but that would still be bad cause we would make a rising wedge. And I put a possibility of bouncing from the daily trend line to confirm its strength and to indicate that it is not a fake breakthrough. Also, since we were at 200 moving average, which is the sandbox zone, and the price took the best possibility I had offer. But what is our goal right now? I can see a small retreat right here since we have a decent volume. Since that jump, the retreat wouldn't be big, it would be only to 44k. Then our goal would be the 50k resistance. I think that same scenario right here will happen. A sequence of bullish candles to a small accumulation, with preserving the volume, then a big push to break the resistance. We are so bullish right now and no one can deny that. And it's so obvious for the price to go to 50k at least to test it. And that would give us some data to work with in the future. That was the analysis for today. Hope you are always good and have safe trades for the next time. Goodbye.